Our first experiment is a blinking LED using Scratch, and we use pin 17. We configure pin 17 to make the LED blink on this code. As you can see, that's the code. The blinking LED is working. Thank you. All right. The second experiment was to read the switch at GPIO 04 with Scratch, and in addition, I added the LED. So when we press the switch, it turned the LED on, and also it showed that the switch is closed. Open switch, close switch, and the light is on. And here's the code. All right, thank you. The following experiment number 3 is using PWM pulse width modulation, using Scratch, also using GPIO 18. As we going to be able to see, once we press the space bar key, the LED brightness increase, in, as you can see how the LED brightness increase gradually, open pressing the space bar key. All right, and that's the code right there. Thank you. All right, the following experiment that I performed was controlling the LED brightness by pressing the arrow key up and down, and also this output is connected to the GPIO 18. So we also perform pulse width modulation over here. As you can see, the right now the brightness is 0, the LED is off. As we started increasing the brightness, you see the LED come on, and gradually it get brighter and brighter as I keep pressing the up key. Right now it's at 250. So if I bring it back down, it's gonna go down to, the brightness is gonna decrease, and it's gonna go down to 0 and turn off. All right, thank you. This is the third experiment that I practice for this lab. Thank you. All right, the following experiment is part of the lab, and it was asked to modify the script on the last slide such that when the button connected to the GPIO 4 is pushed, the LED brightness up, and when the bright value reach to 500, it reset to 0. As you can see, the LED is off. As we start pressing, the value went to 50, and the LED is on, even though it's kind of dimmer. And as we pressing up, the LED get brighter, brighter, and brighter. As you can see, right now we are 300, 350, and the LED is getting brighter and brighter. We are 450, and now we reach 500, and the LED is off. Once we reach 500, it reset back to 0. And as you can see, the code, we modify the code, and it works. All right, thank you. All right, the following part of this experiment is to control the LED brightness with 2 external switches, one for brighter and the other one for dimmer light. As you can see, the light is off right now, and if I press the switch to go up, the light start coming on and get brighter. As you can see, I'm at 900 already, like 1,000 in intensity. And then as I go down, the brightness of the light start going down as well, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, and goes off. All right, so that was my code, and it works properly. So thank you.